What's going on, guys? So today we are going to be working on the Shelby GT350. So today, as the title says, we're going to be working on deleting the resonator for the GT350. The best part about the GT350 is even a resonator delete sounds pretty nasty and good on this car alone. Like even without headers. With headers, this car gets extremely loud, but a resonator delete, it gets a tad bit louder as well. My dad said it's not going to be that loud. He ran to grab the rest of the Sawzall to cut the resonator out, but oh man, the Shelby GT is, that red is just glowing right now, guys. That red is glowing. Whew. I'll enter a clip of a cold start. See, guys, and yeah, that's pretty loud already, and it's cold. So we got the car jacked up, so we're gonna jack it up like this because, as you guys can see, we're in like a big circle where everything goes into like a drain over there, so it's like a big cul-de-sac, so it's on an angle, so we're gonna have to jack it up like this and then make the cut. And then, as you guys can see, this is the resonator right here, and a little bit down here is the bolts, those two bolts, 2 and 2. It looks just like that, and then we have to make a cut somewhere back here on this curve. So here's the resonator delete. The one you went was with what, the Corsa, right? Yep. The Corsa. In my opinion, I don't know what Corsa did or what kind of material they use. It's called a double Helix X pipe, but in my opinion, it makes the car sound a lot more deeper compared to other resonators, X pipes that they have for this car. So this car is gonna sound pretty good after hearing it online, but hearing it, of course, in person is a whole nother story. So looks like definitely good packaging. Looks dope. As you guys can see, this Corsa right there. Whatever material it looks very shiny. Got some nice thickness to it. Could definitely tell it has some quality to it. It's not that heavy, right? Not that bad. No, not really. Nah, not that heavy. I mean, he's lifting it with one hand.
It's solid, you know what I mean?
It's solid, yeah. It seems like it has a little bit of thickness to it, but it's pretty light. Like, it has some good quality to it. So whatever the material they use is real nice. You can definitely tell. So it comes with hangers as well. These are the little hangers. In the description below, we're gonna have a code if you guys want to get an X pipe for your GT or Shelby GT350. Hit up Hypermotive. That's who helped us out get a little discount on the X pipe. So if you have a GT GT350. He will help you out, give a discount code as well. And also I'm gonna hit up Corsa Performance about also giving us a code that'll be in the description, so you guys can also get a discount as well. So help you guys out on your bills. Alright, so let's talk about the X-pipe. So as you guys know, this is going to be upside down, so it's going to be on the opposite way facing, and then these are going to be back here for the curve. So it's going to look something like that. It's going to be one on the other side, and it's going to be curved like that. And as you guys see, it's going to go over the existing piping because this is a little bit bigger, and these two are for the fronts. That's going to bolt on. Alright guys, so I'm trying to give you guys a better picture. So as you guys can see, you start at the end of the Resonator heat shield from right there, and you go 14 1/4 on that bend, and then you mark it, and that's where you will cut. So this gives you guys a good idea. So as you guys can see, we have this jack stand holding the middle of it for when we're cutting, and now he's using a 15mm deep socket to get those 4 bolts to get it off. So the exhaust is flipped over. We got one of the clamps right there, one of the clamps right there. Now we're gonna put in the 2 inlets. I'm gonna show you guys from the back because you can see the whole car from back here. Alright guys, so now we just got to do these 2 back parts. You might have to get some water to spray on the hangers, the little rubber grommets, and we should be good to go. It's not gonna be that loud? You said no?
Nah,
He said it's not gonna be that loud, but first start up, Corsa, X-pipe, Resonator delete. That's a big difference. Yeah, that is a big difference. Alright, what's going on, guys? So we just finished up with the Corsa Resonator X-Pipe Delete. So now I'm gonna show you guys how the car sounds and do a little flyby, and then I'm gonna do an upcoming video on the review of how the Corsa Resonator Delete X-Pipe sounds. Sounds pretty good. It's a little bit louder, but we just finished up everything. Install was pretty easy, not bad, just time consuming, and it's kind of hard because if you're on the ground or don't have some type of lift and you're trying to use that jigsaw, it takes a little bit to try to cut it. So that was the only hold up really, but if you have like a lift or anything, should be knock it out in like maybe an hour or so. Gonna do like a little rev. Yeah, it's definitely louder. Yeah, that thing is loud. Y'all hear it all from all the way over here echoing? Jeez. Is it louder, Javante?
So what?
Is it louder?
Yeah.
It is much louder. Jeez. I can't even imagine with headers. Oh my gosh. That thing is gonna sing. It echoes. It echoes through these trees and everything. It's crazy. You can hear it coming back. Looks sick rolling. Yeah, it looks like a beast rolling. Lower than everything, it looks like a beast for sure. That thing looks bad. Yeah, that thing is loud. It's loud. Sounds good. It sounds good though. Ooh, those downshifts. Dang, that thing sounds good. Woo! That thing sounds good. I gotta say, that's one thing about these new muscle cars, man. The Resonator Delete, they sound nasty. Sounds